Okay, if you are on a mobile device trying to get to the virtual museum through the Smithsonian, after you click on the picture, you will open that link, and the website should look like this. To zoom in and out, you can just pinch in and out like this. Okay, there's an arrow right here in the bottom right. I would recommend just clicking that because you don't need these controls. Because you can just swipe left and right to look around. So when you find a rock you want to classify or describe, you can zoom in as close as you want to those rocks to get a better look at them. If you'd like to check out a different room, you can click on one of the arrows on the floor. And it'll take you to a new room where you can look at different rocks. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Enjoy your virtual field trip today.